What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I got this video out for y'all. A custom color unit. I took this hair that I've been having for about a year now since my last birthday. I didn't like how it came out, so I decided to switch it up. Today I'm using Kiss Express color. Something easy, something simple, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So no real technique here. I just basically took sections and applied the color. I did use some color treated shampoo and color treatment conditioner as well to lock the color in. I let the color sit in for about 2 days. Seriously, mainly because I had a lot going on, but normally I believe you only need to leave this on at least 20 minutes or so. But yeah, I feel like the longer the better. So I'm coming in, trimming the ends, because this hair, OMG, I literally had to work a miracle on this hair. Do you hear me? Like, this hair was not to my satisfactory at all. I ordered it on Amazon, like I said, about a year ago. I wore it for my birthday because it was my birthday hair one time. I didn't like it, to tell you the truth. I really didn't like it. So it's been sitting up in my closet, and I don't really like the waste, so I decided to do something with it, you know? So yeah, trimming these ends, getting it ready, because I'm going to do some wand curls. Yes, girl, get it popping. And I'm coming in with the steamer. I like to steam my wigs, whether they're human or synthetic. This one is human. Of course, obviously, I put the color on there. So I just didn't like the texture. I was doing what I could to make the hair as silky as possible. I usually mainly only use the steamer on my synthetic wigs to give it that flat ironed appearance, and it just makes it silky and flowy as if it was human hair. But yeah, today I'm using it on my human hair because I just didn't like how those ends look so stringy and shaggy. And the density of this hair was not of my preference. But like I said, I'm working with this hair. I'm working a miracle right now. So stick with me, work with me. And yeah, you just got to trust the process. But so far, the color came out pretty good. I was surprised how good the color came out. It's vibrant, as it actually said that it would. The purple didn't really stay in as good, but it's all good. So I'm using a little Bio Silk and a little Chi thermal cream before I go in and do my wand curls. So the wand curl is nothing really special. I just put a little heat on the root first, twist. It's all in the flick of the wrist. You got to work that wrist to get a nice tight curl. I'll leave it on for about 15 seconds. It looks quick on the video, but I'll leave it on for about 15 seconds at the most. Pull it out, squeeze it a bit, and then I put on the clit. Bada bing, bada boom. So yeah, I am definitely loving the blue. I'm loving all the colors. I'm loving the pink, the purple. I put a little splash of orange and just a splash of green as well. So this was just an experiment. I really couldn't decide exactly how I wanted the hair or the color to be. I just knew I wanted something different. I wanted something colorful. and just to see what, you know, it was going to look like on me. So either way it goes, it's much better than how that blonde was looking. They wrong for sending me that blonde hair looking like that, and they know it. Now, I spent $200 on that hair. I'm expecting some good quality hair. So yeah, I guess you just gotta be careful on, even on Amazon, where you're spending your money. Some of those places will false advertise with those photos. They be looking all good. Then you get them, be like, what the heck? And then, but some of them, you know, they actually do meet the standards of the photo that they put up there. So it's kind of a hit and miss, 50-50. I'm definitely going to continue ordering on Amazon because I feel like it kills some of the third-party fees. And yeah, you're taking a risk on the quality, but you know, what's life without risk, you know? As you can see, I did miss a little blonde, but it's okay. You know, I did want to keep a little blonde somewhere, so I guess there it was. But yes, here we go. The wind was messing up my hair a little bit, but I definitely love how the color came out. Yes, yes, yes. Look how the sun is hitting it. Okay. If you've been debating on giving some color a try, sis, I definitely recommend you giving it a try. This is easy as 1, 2, 3. I recommend you doing it because if I can do it, you can do it. You know, so yeah. Quit playing around. Give it a try. Get your custom on there.
What's love? Love is when you give a bitch trust and you know you fucked up. Love is when you tell her who you are, but she too stuck up.
But this is the second day here. I redid the curls to tame the flyaways. I used some curl wax, and voila. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace.